Our next item today coming up is H31909, H31909, and it is our Betty Jean candle holder. And as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. We have them available in silver, gold, and white. And here on display for you is gold, and silver is getting very limited. So if that's your favorite, grab it now. Yes, white has sold out and silver is extremely limited. So if that is your fave, grab it now. What we're going to have here is the gold. And I'm going to give you some quick details about it before I give you a closer look at our beautiful candle. It is the Betty Jean design, and it is 13 by 6 inches, and it is lovely. It will be trimmed in the color of your choice, either the gold, silver, or the white. And this one here is the gold, as you can see. And it also has 5 openings or holders for candles, and it holds either votives or tea light, which is very rare. And I just love them. And as you can see here on the back, here we have some with some votives that are burning, and they just look very beautiful. And Betty Jean is one of our very popular designers that we have had on the show before. In fact, if you have already received your Betty Jean candle holder, please call in and let us know how much you love it. I would love to hear from you. And again, let's just double check the measurements. Yes, it's just over 13 inches wide. And as you can see, 6 inches high. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And it seems like we have a caller on the line. And our caller is Samantha from the lovely sunny California. Samantha, are you on the line? Samantha, are you on the line?
Yes, I am.
Hi, Samantha. Have you already received your Betty Jean candle holder?
Yes, they're very nice.
Oh, that is so wonderful to hear. I'm so happy to hear that. Where do you display your candle holder in your home?
I display my candle holder on my vanity.
On your vanity?
Nice.
Oh, Samantha displays hers on her vanity, and she says it makes the vanity look so much nicer. I really appreciate you calling in today, Samantha.
Oh.
Thank you so much, caller.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now. That was Samantha, and she has her Betty Jean candle holder at home already, and we just are so happy to have her. Beautiful, very quality glass, as you can see here. Very substantial, a substantial weight. And these are $16.99, and you'll receive one. But a lot of people are picking up two, because as you can see, it would make a beautiful display on your coffee table, as we have it here. And oh, the silver has just sold out, but that is fine, because in my opinion, the gold is very beautiful with whatever metal you would like to put it with. I love to mix metals. As you can see here, we have it with our silver here, and it just blends beautifully. And if you want to look inside, it comes with these holders where you can fit votives, like back here, where they're burning. Or you can even do tea lights. You can do tea lights in them. See how pretty? Now look how gorgeous. You just get some tea lights. And can we actually get them lit? Arthur, well, we'll try to get those lit for you. But in the case if you, like me, and you have children at home, smart children, or you may have little fur children at home and they get a little frisky, you may prefer to even use one of those battery operated tea lights, and those work just as well. As you will see, you put those in and they hold it beautifully. Look at that, that's just gorgeous. Again, H31909, $16, you all. For that price, you can afford to purchase multiples, take them home, and you would just love it in your home. It will be a perfect addition to anyone's home. It's the perfect home decor. Candles just warm up the space, it warms up your home, and you will be just thrilled with how it makes the design in your home just come together. It's a beautiful addition to any home, and you would just be so surprised how wonderful it can make your home feel when you just light the candles and it sets the ambiance. Again, we have item number H31909, and it is the Betty Jean candle holder, and it's a beautiful addition to any home. You would be thrilled to display this on your dining room table. It would make a lovely centerpiece any season. Right now, we're here in the spring season, and you can put it with your spring decor and just really pull it together. It holds votives, tea lights, and it will just, and even the battery operated tea lights. And it is just a beautiful addition to any home, and it's $16.99, and at that price you can afford to purchase multiples, and you can even gift them. But I'm sure most of you will be keeping them for yourself, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. And they come in white, silver, and gold, and I'm being told that the white is most limited, and then silver next. And it goes with any decor. A lot of you are into the rustic and farmhouse look, and this blends very well. The creams and everything would blend very well with that decor. If you like the glam look, this will also work for your home, and you will be so pleased once you get it home. You will not be disappointed. I will be grabbing two for myself and for my home because I love to do coffee table decor, and this will really make your coffee table decor. As you can see here, we've paired it with a tray. We've paired it with a tray and some coffee table books, and it's just gorgeous. And I'm being told that we just sold out of the silver and the cream, and the gold is remaining. And truth be told, the gold is my favorite because I love mixing metals. And once you put the gold next to a silver or a white or any type of metallic, it just really pops, and it's just a beautiful display. Absolutely beautiful, and I love it with the votives. It is so gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, it pairs well when you mix the metals, silver. It's beautiful. You can display it with the tea lights. Or as you can see, like that with the votives. It's just gorgeous. I mean, it doesn't even take much. And I even like them like this, kind of catty corner on the tray. Just really beautiful, and it speaks for itself. I mean, you can just have a plain coffee table with nothing but 2 of these Betty Jean candle holders, and that would make it. You can also line them up horizontally, one in front of the other, and place that on your dining room table, and that is your centerpiece. You wouldn't even need anything else. It's absolutely gorgeous. It speaks for itself, and you would love to have it. And we're down to our final quantities, you guys. Please be aware, we will not bring this back this season. These will not be back until next season. So grab them now, put them up for gifts. Go ahead and store them for your holiday decor. Grab them now because they will not be back in time for your holiday decorating. So I suggest grab a couple. These make wonderful gifts, and you will use them in multiple spaces in your home. We're down to final quantities. I'm being told we're down to final quantities. So you guys grab it while it's still here. It's our today's lucky value, and I do not see it lasting throughout the end of the day. I think this will probably be your last chance to pick it up. So take advantage of it now. You don't want to kick yourself later. You will not be disappointed. Betty Jean candle holder H31909. And we'll be back in the next segment with another item from Betty Jean. Just got word that we are completely sold out. That's wonderful to all you lucky viewers who were able to snatch this up and have it. It is on its way to you. You will be so happy once you receive it. Please call back next time we're on the air with the Betty Jean and let us know how much you love your Betty Jean candle holders.